Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review the best TESSAN Tower Surge Protector. Review maximize your outlets. The TESSAN Tower Surge Protector Power Strip is a versatile and compact charging solution designed for home, office, and dorm use. It features 8 widely spaced AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 1 USB-C, allowing you to charge up to 12 devices simultaneously without blocking other outlets. The ultra-thin flat plug and 45 degrees right-angle design make it easy to fit in tight spaces and behind furniture. With surge protection and various safety features, this power strip ensures a safe and reliable charging environment for your devices. Key features: 12-in-1 power strip. Converts 1 socket into 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports. Charging 12 devices simultaneously. Ideal for home, office, and dorm use. Flat extension cord. Ultra-thin 0.31. In flat plug design fits easily in tight spots and behind furniture. 45 degrees right-angle plug. Design creates extra space for other plugs without blocking. USB-C wall charger. Dual USB-A ports 2.4A and a USB-C port 3A. Detect and deliver optimal charging speed for your devices, such as phones, tablets, and earphones. Space-saving design. Compact 4-side tower design takes up little desk space and keeps cords organized. Stable base with 4 rubber feet prevents slipping and sliding. Surge protector tower. Equipped with overload, short circuit, and overcurrent protection. Reliable on on-off switch, automatically shuts off to protect your electronics, ensuring a safe charging environment. Why choose this product? The TESSAN Tower Surge Protector Power Strip offers a comprehensive and space-saving solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Its unique design, with a flat extension cord and right-angle plug, allows for easy placement in